What's good, family? Welcome back to another video on our channel. This is your very first time. Thank you for tuning in. If it's not your very first time, thank you guys for stepping on this video and watching. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today, you guys, we got this wig from Amazon. Of course, we are trying this BCCRS store hair, and we got it for only, you guys, $89. Do you feel me? $89. Yes, ma'am. So today, you guys, this video is about mistakes that I have made throughout this video and what not to do when coloring your hair. So if you want to know some mistakes that I made and maybe that you have made and maybe we can combine them together, stay tuned and keep on watching, and we're going to get into it. Yeah. So y'all, this wig came from BCCRS, like I said at the beginning of this video. It is 22 inches long, baby, 180% density. Yes, 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 love. It does have a little shedding, but no scent, no smell, no nothing. It is full. It is body. Baby, it's body. It gives what it's supposed to give. Do you feel me? That's why I love when I shop on Amazon. All you got to do, baby, read the reviews. Read those reviews because they're going to get you right every time. So, y'all, this, like I said, this wig was 180% density from BCCRS Hair Store on Amazon, 22 inches, $89 only, HD transparency. And yes, ma'am, let's get into it. So, the color today, guys, we was going for a hunter green. We was going for a hunter green. This is mistake number one. We was going for hunter green, y'all, but for some reason it come out blue. It came out blue. Number one, always detangle your wig before you dip it into the color. Always. Do not throw that wig into that color without detangling it. Always detangle your wig before you dip it. Rule number two, test that color on a paper towel, a string of hair, on an old wig, something. Test that color before you dip that wig into that color and it comes out not the color that you want. As you can see, we was going for a hunter green. Why is she coming out blue? That's not the color that we was going for. The bottle said hunter green. You get what I'm saying? Every color in the bottle is not going to be that exact color just because it says it on the bottle. Read the reviews, catch a video, watch it before you actually go and buy it and dip the hair. That's rule number three. That is a mistake I made. I did not watch a video. I didn't get the understanding of the color. I didn't know this color was going to come out this way. That's why I say test the color first. Paper towel, anything, but do not just dip that wig into that color without testing it. Next, make sure that it's the color that you want. Like, go on a video, do anything like that to get the color that you want, to make sure that's what you're getting. Because like I said, I didn't do that, and baby, we coming out blue, turquoise. You feel what I'm saying? So keep on watching and see how we just got more upset. You feel me?
I'm outside in an AMG.
Rule number four, make sure that you use warm water, hot water, but never cold water when you're dyeing or coloring a wig. Never cold water. That's rule number four, you guys.
All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
The next rule is, you guys, always use a powder brush or anything type of comb or whatever you have at the moment to get through that wig. Make sure that you use a powder brush or anything to get through that wig. As you see, I still have spots that are missing in the wig. Spread that wig apart. Do not just dip that wig and think that everything is getting through. You need a brush or something to comb through that wig to make sure everything is seamlessly, whatever the word is, baby. Make sure it's getting in there, okay? As we have gotten further into this video, you guys, if you have not done so yet, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, comment below, tell me anything that you might have to say, what some mistakes that you have made and that you have corrected and learned on the way. In the meantime, you guys, keep on watching and welcome to the family, and thank you.
I turn a clone, rather see.
So right now, you guys, we are going around our edge line with the Ruby Kisses number 15. That is my brand for my, not my brand, like I own it, but it's the kind that I use to match my skin tone. So you guys, the next rule that I would go with would be, make sure that you wipe your forehead around your perimeter before you apply any glue so it can stick better. And always make sure that you measure that wig on your head. Baby, that wig is not measured for you. It is not your size. It is nothing. Make sure you measure it and get it as tight as you need to before you start applying your layers of glue to your forehead. You feel me?
Yeah. Heart still on traveling, baby. Two-turn, baby girl, you know.
The next rule would be when applying your glue, make sure you do thin layers. I do thick layers, but I make sure when I go in with my popsicle stick that I thin it out as smooth as I can, as thin as I can, as possible.
I'm outside in it.
When applying my glue, I do 6 layers of glue, and the glue that I use Ghost Bond. Make sure, like I said, that you apply thin layers when you doing your glue, and make sure that you dry it, and make sure when you dry it that it's clear and not white. This is the second layer, but since we have already done the first layer on camera, there's no need to watch it again, so we're going to speed it up and keep on watching, you guys.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as.
By this time, mamas, I know y'all know how I feel, baby. My back, my feet, my legs, pelvic, everything up under the sun was hurting me. Baby, I was ready to scream.
Let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass. Let a nigga know that he arrived.
Next rule will be lay down gently and use your end of your comb and just push the lace into your scalp. Push, 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 baby, push, push.
Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress.
All right, you guys, so at this point, we're using our wax stick, and we're just going around and getting all those flyaways that needs to be laid down so the hair can look silky. You feel me? And you can get this also from your local beauty supply store. You can get it from Walmart, Target. You can get it from literally anywhere.
Pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you'll find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. Bad news is, nigga, you went the.
I always remember, you guys, when laying a lace down or a wig down, I said a lace, a hot comb is your best friend. You feel me? Your hot comb is your best friend. That's the only way I feel that you can achieve the look that you're going for. Without a hot comb, baby, you're going to have a hump at the top of that head. Slick that boo down. Slick it down.
In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele hold and they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro.
Y'all, I'm so trying my best to achieve this C in my head. I want that deep side part, but for some reason, I can never achieve it. But I'm trying my best to achieve it right now, baby, and it's giving. This color really did give. It gives me like that turquoise, like I told you, that bluish green color, but it's more of a bluish, like in the, you know, water, ocean type blue. And it's really beautiful. But like I said, I was trying to go for that hunter green, and I didn't achieve what I was going for.
Day comes.
But you see it.
Watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.
All right, you guys, we are coming up on the next rule. So the next rule I have when cutting your lace, make sure you cut along your perimeter. Do not just cut in a straight line. Make sure that you cut in a jagged. And what can help you cut in a jagged line? You can get an eyebrow razor or just use your scissors to cut in a jagged line. Do not cut in a straight line, because then people gonna know the trend. That ain't your hair. Regardless if it's covered or not. It can still be your hair when it's colored. Boo, stop playing and letting these people know this ain't our hair. Do it right. Do it right.
So many reasons why I want it for you.
I cut mine into 3 flaps because it helps me, 3 to 4 flaps because it helps me to cut better or easier, if you might say, instead of just cutting the whole lace off on one time. It helps you to cut around your perimeter. But like I said, you guys, cut around your perimeter. I did not do it on mine. I did a little bit, but not really. But I'm still learning. This is beginner friendly, so be easy.
Should be not this kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me. See me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if now the price be that. I quite like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit.
I feel as if this is my next rule. Take your time, you guys, and make sure that you cut along your earline before you lay down your lace. I feel like that is so much easier for me. Already cutting it while it's already down, I feel like you have to be really, really careful. But before you put it down and glue it down, I feel like that is so much easier just to get your flap the way around your ear the way you need it. But hey, to each his own. Some people like to lay it down and then glue it, like I just did. So, you know, you just never know. At this moment, you guys, I'm using my hand to pull back any lace that did not get caught with the glue, just to glue down them at this time. This is the best time to go ahead and just glue them down before you lay down them baby hairs.
Love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name? Say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games.
At this time, your girl is going in with her Fantasia spritz, and she's going around her edge line just to make sure that lace is down, baby. And I use my scarf to tie it down 2 times. I do this process twice, you guys, twice.
Satisfaction, did you really feel that action? Really want to give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, keep
So y'all, my next rule would be, when you're doing that Fantasia spritz, make sure that you put it on your finger and not on your edge line. Like, don't spray that thing like I just did and you try to drip it all over your forehead. Now you got to go wipe and do all this other stuff, and then your lace might come up because you're using the same alcohol that you used to pull up your wig to take it off. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, be mindful of that. My last and final rule, you guys, I honestly believe that you need to put makeup around your edge line after and before you apply your lace. Like, for real. I can still see my lace and I was so upset afterwards. Plus, I should have wiped it down, first of all, with the alcohol. Then applied my makeup, Ruby Kisses number 15 around my edge line. And then, yeah, it would have been looking a little bit better than it is now. But, baby, we had to pause for that little meeting right there. You know what I'm saying? Because it did give a little bit. She did give. And the color was bomb. And we got a lot of compliments on this hair. And when I tell you, baby, even though it wasn't that hunter green hair, she still did what she was supposed to do. It was full, it was thick, no shedding. Well, very light shedding, because every 613 is going to shed, so expect that. But it was very, very good. Like, I really, with this hair, like, on the cool, though. So, Arabella, put me on. Like, where you at? Hello? Can you hear me? Too much? Okay, yeah. I need to be your best friend, boo.
Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night 4 shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, boat I'm paddling. Sharashina fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trails. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Because any streets, you are not my mate. If you become a chef, not be head of state. But my people then go say, I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depending, the girl, ride the whip, I know it, die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depending, the girl, ride the whip, I know it, die for nothing.
So you guys, the reveal we have been waiting for. And yes, she came through. The baby hairs are ugly, but she came through. If you've been following me for a while, I have told you 1,000 times, baby hairs are not my best friend, but hey, they give what they're supposed to give when they do. You feel me? And y'all, like I said, I love this hair. She was beautiful. She was a baddie. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Tell me what you like about this video. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Baby, we ain't done yet, so don't click off. I'm just giving y'all like my end credits. You feel me? Keep watching. I love a fresh install. It's something about it, you guys. I don't know why, but I just love a fresh install. It does something to me. But as y'all can see, y'all can still see the lace at the top a little bit. That's why I say always make sure you apply your foundation on the outside of it, because it gives it like a more skin tone and make it look like it's coming out of your scalp, because that's what we want people to think. It's coming out of our scalp. But yeah, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you have watched me all the way to the end of this video, drop me a blue safari. I said a safari. Sapphire, because I've been saying safari all day through this video. Don't come for me. Blue sapphire emoji. You feel me? In the meantime, y'all hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and like, comment, and subscribe, and see y'all in my next video.